Welcome back to Quiz RAD. Today, we've got an exciting challenge for all superhero fans. Can you find the Odd Emoji Out Superheroes Edition? 80 tricky questions are waiting for you. Stay sharp, and let's see if you have the superhero vision. Can your sharp eyes spot the odd Spider-Man swinging around? Look carefully. Nice catch! You found the odd Spidey. One of these Thors has a different eye color. Can you find which one? Well done! Tiny but tricky. Can you find the odd Ant-Man among these mini heroes? Great spotting! You caught the odd Ant-Man. One of these shields doesn't belong. Can you find the odd Captain America? Excellent! You stand tall just like Cap. Mission accomplished. Look closely. One of these Iron Men looks different. Can you find it? Boom! You found the odd Iron Man. Can you guess which superhero these emojis represent? It's Iron Man, the genius, billionaire, and armored Avenger. One of these Deadpools looks odd. Can you spot him? Nailed it! You found the odd Deadpool. Can you spot the odd Black Panther? Wakanda forever. You found the odd one. Guess which superhero these emojis represent? It's Superman, the Man of Steel who always saves the day. Can you guess the superhero hiding behind the image? It's Spider-Man. One of these Hulks looks different. Can you find him? Hulk approves. You smashed that challenge. There's an imposter lurking among these. Batman, can you spot him? You found the odd Batman in the shadows. One Thanos looks odd here. Can you see it? Perfect balance. You found the odd Thanos before he snapped. One Wolverine looks odd here. Can your eyes catch it? You found the odd Wolverine. One Doctor Strange looks old. Can you spot him? Well done! You found the odd Sorcerer Supreme. Can you guess which superhero these emojis represent? It's Captain America! Can you find the odd Captain Marvel shining a bit differently? Amazing! You've got cosmic-level observation skills. One Vision's mask doesn't look quite right. Can you figure out which one? Brilliant! You found the odd Vision. Can you guess which superhero these emojis represent? It's Black Panther. Can you figure out which superhero is hidden in the picture? Wolverine. One Wanda's magic looks strange. Can you find the odd Scarlet Witch? Wow! You've got chaos magic in your eyes. Great catch! One Loki's illusion slipped. Can you find the real trickster? Clever! You outsmarted the god of mischief. Which superhero do these crazy emojis point to? It's Deadpool, the wild and witty anti-hero. One Venom looks too dangerous. Can you find the odd symbiote? You nailed it! You found the odd Venom. One of these things looks less rocky. Can you find the odd one? Fantastic! You found the odd thing. Can you spot which superhero is this? It's Hawkeye, the sharpshooter Avenger. One Hawkeye's aim is off. Can you find him? Bullseye! You found the odd Hawkeye. Any idea which superhero is covered behind this photo? It's Iron Man. One Human Torch is burning a little dimmer. Can you spot him? Hot work! One Black Widow looks odd. Can you find which one? Perfect! You spotted the odd widow. Wow, you did it! You've officially proven your superhero vision. Thanks for playing Find the Odd Emoji Out, Superheroes Edition on QuizRAD. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun quizzes and challenges.